In this video, we will see how to get help in Windows. There are various ways to seek help for Windows issue depending on your preferences and nature of your problem. Various ways to get help in your Windows PC for any troubleshooter if you face in your Windows 10 or 11 system. And the first one is using the Get Help app. Go to Windows Search and type Get Help and open Get Help app. Get help app will appear. We are here to help, and type your issues here. Any type of problem, type here and its related content will appear here. For example, if you type Bluetooth troubleshooter in the search bar to diagnose and fix Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter, the app will then request your consent to run automated diagnostic. Select yes to continue and follow the prompts to complete the process. Get Help is the best app for any Windows related apps help. Second, using the apps help button. Most apps and programs have a dedicated help section accessible via keyboard shortcuts or menu. This section provides information, tutorials and troubleshooting steps specific to that program. For example, if you want to help in Google Chrome app, then open Chrome browser and press F1 key from your keyboard to visit their help center page. Help center page will open here. How can we help you? Type your issues, describe your issue, and Windows will provide you requisite help for selected issues. That's all.